So I think we should start with the main question, and to help our viewers understand, maybe those who never used Vivino, what is Vivino?
Yeah, the whole idea of Vivino is to help people drink better wine. And with the technology, like when the smartphones were launched, there was an ability to take a picture of a wine label and then connect that to data. And that's what we do. You can install the app Vivino on your iPhone or your Android, and you can take a picture of any bottle of wine in the world. We'll tell you exactly if it's good or not so good, how much it costs, where it comes from, what it tastes like, everything you need. And in many cases, you can also tell you where to buy it. So it's an app that helps you drink better wine.
Exactly. And when was this? When did you start it?
2010, right? So we started in 2010. The iPhone launched in 7, the App Store in 8. So like 2 years after the App Store had launched.
Wow, so that it was pretty early. Thanks for watching this video. You can watch the full podcast episode by clicking here, or watch another interesting video by clicking here. Let's continue the discussion in the comment section, and see you in the next one.